to a Christmas tree farm, but first, peppermint shakes!
Yay! Yeah!
Yay! Peppermint shakes!
Yay!
Where's this from, Nancy?
From Chick-fil-A.
We went to Chicken-O-Lay.
Olay!
Chick-fil-A if you don't speak Nancy. We're at the Christmas tree farm. Super cool.
Rudolph, my dear, the forecast ain't clear. So will you please light my way and lead this old man's sleigh? I said, Rudolph,
Those out for the week
Oh, okay.
Some good choices for you.
Okay. Yeah, I have a little, need a little one.
This is cute, but this isn't pretty.
This isn't, no, this is a little too tall.
you're the only one who can save the day. Say your name.
Yeah, one of those.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's do it. Which one?
It's got a really big sound.
What do you think, Karen?
What do you got against this one?
Nothing? That went really quick. We picked out a little one that'll sit on our table, so Karen's going in to pay for it right now. No. No, you're fine. Wow, 3 more people. This is adorable. Oh, there's their
I like your t-shirt.
right?
Yeah, I need to get one of those.
Thanks.
Okay, I have my glasses on, I can't see. Alright, looking for you for the tree. Okay.
How about, we have some enough for honey?
Well, yeah, actually, you probably should do 280.
Santa sleigh. Yeah, lead old Santa sleigh. Come on and lead old Santa.
I've made trees yet.
We got one tree. Look at what'd you just get?
I got a stocking.
Do you need me over there? It's right here, Nancy. It's right here. There's your stocking.
Setting up.
There you go.
She's my sister. We're 3 sisters. We don't usually, to be honest, we usually just do a,
An artificial, like 3, maybe 4 times in my life we've gotten a real one. Yeah, it's
tiny one.
this is a little tree, but it's not like uber little.
All right, now you gotta undo it and give me back the.
So what's going on, Karen?
We got two.
I'm being.
It's about
Apparently,
normal.
I am not smarter than
How much is that?
this thing.
He's like,
Watch your head when you get in.
yeah, I will. Look at this.
Is it on there?
We have it's stuck on there really well. We have a Christmas tree on the roof. Well, that was fun. That was so much fun.
Fine, because I got stuck.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be Charlie. Fa la 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 la.
Well, she undid the side, and now she's taking it down from the side.
Oh, and it's a nice soft pine.
Oh, I didn't think that when I stuck my fingers in it.
Not a pretty backdrop, but.
It's Christmas!
Yay. I could take Charlie on my other hand.
Nope, go. Unless you want to.
There we go. Hey, we have a real tree this year.
Yay, Merry
Bigger in the
Christmas.
house.
Isn't it always?
We're just gonna put it on a Christmas tree. Let me shut this.
Excuse me, we're gonna put it on a table.
We're gonna put it in a Christmas tree stand on top of the table.
Yeah, you gotta put that in first, because
Okay, is that straight?
I don't know what's considered the top.
Well, I should put it back. Well, that was fun going out to the Christmas tree farm. It was a shorter video today, but hey, tomorrow we're going to trim the tree, and we'll see you then. Bye.